Well, I messed up. As you can see, I shaved, which is disappointing to me, but it needed to be done. And now I look goofy, but I'm going to try and do something real quick on the Corvette before the sun goes down and it gets cold. I'm going to try and reseal the driver's side valve cover, and while doing that I'm going to tighten the rocker arms. So that only took about 5 minutes. I'm going to turn the car on and tighten these rockers down. I'm sure one of them is going to be making some noise. We'll just find out which one. Oh, there's a vacuum leak. I was like, what's that air noise? Alright, I'm going to tighten these up. The sun went down way too fast. I got it adjusted, so I'm just going to leave it, and then I'll seal it tomorrow, and then I can drive it the next day. I should probably unplug these lights. The lights are unplugged. We're just going to leave it like this overnight. I'll grab a piece of cardboard or something just to cover that up so nothing gets in there. And then roll the window up. Never mind, I lied to you guys. I just did the valve cover. I was like, you know what? The engine's probably cooled down by now. I have a little bit of light left and it's not that cold. So I'm just gonna put it back together so that I can drive it to work tomorrow. So I did, and we'll find out in the morning if it's leaking any oil. Hopefully not, and hopefully the ticking has gone away. That's gonna be it for tonight. My knee's killing me. I'm gonna go rest it up, ice it up. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. See you tomorrow.